And we've been training, so that's why we took the game.
Tulianzia vizuri na tukapata tumepata seti moja kwa seti tatu. Kwa hivyo wametuzidi nguvu kwa wakati huu. Tumegundua makosa zetu saa zingine iko katika reception na vile saa zingine tunakutupa service zetu. Kwa hivyo tukirudi chini kidogo tutaenda tujipange ndiposa zile game ziko mbele yetu tuweze kuzicheza vizuri.
Been preparing, the coaches have been preparing us well. So as players, we are ready. We know the task ahead of us, and we haven't been performing at our expectations, but tomorrow we want to give our best to see that we get maximum points. We have to rectify our mistakes we've been doing, so we think it's going to be a good challenge for us. We are going to push to see that we make this team great.
Definitely, Kenya Premier League, we know about it. Normally, a team to survive in the Kenya Premier League first leg, if you really want to compete for it, you need to get at least 30 plus points. So we are almost there. So we'll try and work out more even tomorrow to see if we can at least add some 3 points on the 25 that we have, and this will be a very good morale booster to the whole group.